my geography, in his words, sucks.
So what we get. So what we don't sleep. We're just having fun.
I thought he danced great.
Don't care who sees.
I thought that he's really got the moves, man.
Get a lighter. That's how it's supposed to be.
Kick butt. That's what I like to do.
Why? Keep that in there free.
Before you do a promo, you gotta warm up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Every muscle's gotta be in tune.
I have the hiccups.
Action time.
Yes.
Okay. I've got a brown paper bag we can put over your head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guess I can take the eggs out of my pocket.
I don't know why you were holding them.
All right, we hope you're enjoying Debbie's little sprinkles.
It's more like a downpour.
Can you imagine if a sheep could talk right now? He's like, this guy with the earth on his face is about ready to take scissors to my hide. Somewhere I've made some bad life decisions. You know the turkeys are talking right now. Did you see that idiot? He's got his face painted like the earth. Plus we're gonna tell you, go, 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 go!
You didn't tell us that.
Go, 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 go! Now, go, 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 go!
Okay, good.
Okay.
Try it, Ron. Nab, huh?
Made with
hiring,
love.
actually.
Are you really? Now, the good test of a frosting is how it
How it
smells.
smells.
How's it smell?
Ah, I can't believe she
I
fell
got the
for it.
Cupcake Warrior.